Hey guys, this is a new feature or new extension which has been implemented by vTiger team, and this extension will help customer to send online payment link to their end customer, as well as for the customer to sign a document which has been sent to the end customer through email or a link. So I'm just giving you a demo of how this extension basically working. So we have considered all the inventory modules, that is quotation, purchase order, sales order and invoice. It will have an option to have either sign on the document, as well as option to attach that with the payment gateway. So for example, if you don't want the signature part in quotation, you can just simply deselect from here, same for the payments, and you can save it. Now this option is basically used for example, if you are open for example, if you are open an invoice or any quotation, and if you don't want an option for the salesperson to send, because this option send to customer is generally used to send payment or signature info to the end customer. But if you don't want that restrict from the salesperson, and you wants to configure automatically from the workflow, because in a workflow we also have that option already we built. So basically from the workflow you can send payment or the link which is related to this quotation or invoice. So for example, let me check. If you look at that, there is a this is a custom function, right, which vTiger team builds. So we can say like this is a send template, that is a function which is used to send link to the customer automatically on specific conditions. So it will send automatically if you set this action, right. So that is this option basically for that purpose. Now this is for the payment transaction. So the first option is configuration of the payments. So for PayPal and Moli, right now we have these two, but we will going to add, and if customer wants, or user or you have wants to add more, you can contact support at vtiger.com, and our team will help you to configure new payment gateway, right, because this system is been integrated with payment gateway. So once customer is going to pay, the status of the payment set to the paid or unpaid. If the card has been declined, the status has been set to the paid or unpaid. Now if you look at this is the transactions, right. So once you send any link to the customer, they paid, the transaction entry will display here. This is reference number, and this is all details related to that transaction, and this is also going to attach to the document. So right now it's attached to the quotation, so it's when you click on the link on this, it will redirect to the quotation. But usually there is no payment made against the quotation. Generally it's invoice, but we gave that option in case any customer or anybody wants that process or flow. So this is the flow related to the web payments and transaction. Now this is the template. So template is nothing but like if you wants to send an email to customer to say that okay, this is the this is the link where you just have to click on this link or that link or something, right. So this email template will help you to set the default templates, right. So these are the default templates. You, if you want to add few more for your purpose, you can, right. So default template will display so right now it's just this, but you can add more as per your need. This is for the sign and a payments template. So like this template would be used to display like for example, let me open the invoice. So if you look at, this is the invoice template. So when the customer click on the link which he received in email, this template will display. So same for others. and this is the okay, so this is the default template which I already mentioned to you. So this is how the working. Now if you look at the invoice, and if you click on the final invoice, yeah, so there is an option called send to customer. Here you have an option like I select the payment link or signature link, right? So the difference between the payment link and signature is you can create the link for the payment if you want customer to make a payment, and if you want the customer to send a signature or sign a signature, you can use this is just a copy a link, right? And this is for the preview, right? So let me this it just open a preview that how it will look, right? So where the customer is now, why here is a signature as well as payment, because customer choose both the option, right? If you only want a signature, then they can change that option from this web payments, right? Sorry, from this web payments, yeah, from here. Okay, so this is how the customer will see the payment. So once I made the payments, I click on this, it will going to redirect me to the PayPal. So if you look at this, it is going to redirect me to PayPal, right? So it is integrated with the PayPal, and Molly Payment Gateway will going to add more as per your needs, right? And that is free of cost integration. So hope you like the video, and if you have a more question or concern, do let us know. Our team will help you. Thank you. Have a nice day.